Sugnak Bordak Vlog. Kasi bakasyon daw, tapos nakasalito. Mag-change din ako. Anong mga phone? Ata di ba dito? Lucas!
Lucas, who's calling you?
Hi, baby! Oh no, Sophia. Slowly, baby, ah. Sophie, Lucas, go to the other side. See, there's one more turtle there. Go to the other turtle, baby. Good boy. See? Woo! Daddy's resting there, oh. Faces mask. It's also a chair. Saan na kaya si Sophia ko? Ito yung locker rooms nila. Changing room, shower room. Diba? Ate, tapos na. Yan, dyan sila nag-change. Shower rooms. CR. Changing room. May billiards dyan. Who came here? Jessica Soho ba yan? Oo. Sino kaya yan mga nang punta? Ayan, enjoy. Daddy Lugo sister. Oh, he's enjoying there. Another swimming pool here. Kiddie pool there, and here's another pool. This is where I had my wedding. So dito yung ano namin. Dito yung reception namin. Diyan yung center na yan yung stage. So dito kami. Ang wedding namin ni my love ko. So ayan, andun si Habi. Nag-enjoy doon. Kasi may music. Inis ang music. Marites. Magkasabay-sabay ha. Ano lang to, for information, this is a inangkat lang yung white sand nito. This is not real white sand, Thailand. They brought the sands here. Kaya tingnan nyo yung barricades nya. Nilagyan nila ng mga barricade ng mga matataas na sands and stones so that the white sands will stay here, will not go out of the vicinity. Looking for daddy. He played in the playroom, and now looking for you. But you try jet ski only. Pero kung tutuusin, maliit lang ang dagat niya. I mean, dito lang yan. Ang Misibis, yan lang na ikot na yan. Kung gusto mo lumabas doon, pwede ka rin lumabas. Let's go, baby. Saglit lang ha. Uy, shrimps. Pumpkin soup pala. Rice and potatoes.
So far, when we touch the sky again, this is my dear heaven. Watching it
Kuya,
always
this is takoyaki. Favorite ko yan.
but it's alright. I'll be around there, doing what we gotta do.
Takoyaki.
You
Si
are
ate.
so satellite. I'd be lost in space without you.
Laing.
And I
People burn.
never lose my faith in
Salad.
will I ever get together,
Si nanay, si ate.
find you, and I
Nanay.
never lose my faith in
Ah, grill. Ito yung naamoy ko.
will I ever get together,
Nagkakain ito. Ilagyan ko dun sa table.
find you,
Ano lang, yan lang tsaka yung shrimp. Shrimp. Yung fish, ayaw niya ng fish.
Hindi ko sip.
I never lose my
Ano sila dati? Ayaw.
I never lose my faith in you.
Later, after the lunch, you can get the ice cream.
No, I'm wasting too much time.
Okay, after the lunch.
And only as confession, I'm a white do my thing, that's what I find.
Takoyaki.
So here I am, if I get home.
Jessica Soho? Sophie, eat. You eat lang. Very good ang Lucas, oh. Very good. Alin? Alin? Pwede tawagan si Boy sa phone?
Do you wanna be a poet
Ala, ang ganda ng sound.
and write? Do you wanna be an actor? Happy life. Do you wanna be a soldier and fight for love? Do you wanna travel the world? Do you wanna be down to earth with girls? Or climb a mountain?
Kita daw kung abot ka doon.
Clouds above.
Hindi na
From life, I want something in return. I want you to burn me, baby. I am candle in my life. Burn me, burn me. I'm gonna be a burning actor. Yeah, go to heaven.
Sophie. Baby.
Kiss me
Sophia.
under a thousand stars. Place your hand on me.
Lucas.
Think about maybe we found love right where we are. My hands are gone and memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will feel the same. 'Cause I'm yours, so you never know all is everything.
Halo-halo. Kayo dyan.
Baby, your smile ever in my mind, memory. I think about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's a touch of
Ano
my
to?
hand.
Banana. Saba.
I just keep on
Kutsinta.
making the same
Saba din yan.
mistake.
Kamote.
Hoping that you'll understand
Watermelon. Apples and lemons.
me now.
Cakes.
Take me
Cereals.
to the
Ah, pang ano ECB's day tour. Tapos na tayo dito. Dumaan na tayo dito kanina. Sophie, Kuya will get you ice cream, oh. See? Kuya will get ice cream.
Summer, as a violet bloom. Oh, love falls deeper than a river. Every moment that I spend with you. You're a sad one that's been true. I opened my arms wide.
Cake.
She was surrounded by place that you want.
Oh my God!
Told you I love you. It's just something I want to.
It's good?
I'm taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you.
Wow.
Time after sometimes you picture me, I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me,
Yummy?
I can't keep what you said.
Cake po, ginawa ni Kuya.
The